scatter that as a ground cover. Once it gets up a little bit, we'll plow it under and then let the ground freeze and thaw this winter, soften up, and this here will help fertilize the ground. We got this pot, it's pot. This plot right here, and then over yonder, I've decided next year I'm going to raise some field corn over there, for hopefully when we get a hog, it can eat on that there. There's little Dixie. Here, you can get unhooked for the time being. We're not driving nothing right now. Alrighty, I'm going to throw this out. I ain't going to bore you. Hope y'all have a great day. We'll let Carolyn film a little bit there of the tractor here in a second. I'm just going to lightly disc it where the blades will just kind of push it down into the ground a little bit. Our old disc, it's getting pretty old. I didn't even fool with hooking it up on the tractor. I've just got a chain holding it on there with the hay fork, but it'll serve the purpose. Gardening season, it's pretty much over. Well, we'll have to get some more lettuce started. Here's where the corn was. Like I said, I was gonna got some red clover and planted. Tri-State out here didn't have any, so we'll use rye. All that disc done, when you lightly disc it, it helps push the seeds down into the soil some. Here, as heavy as our dews are, that should be enough to get the ground moist enough to where it should get started. They was actually giving rain for tomorrow, but I think they've canceled that. But no, we need to start getting everything cleaned up now and getting ready for next year. There's going to be a few changes that we do with the garden next year. We'll talk about that later on. Definitely looking forward to next year. The weeds are not going to be like they was this year, Lord willing. I would have to say, out of all of our gardens this year, was probably the ugliest garden we've had. Sound like chestnuts starting to fall. We dug our taters the other day. We didn't get much footage of that there. We was busy picking up. We wound up with around 22 bushels. So that was pretty good. There wasn't no great big sizes to them. If there would have been, Lord, we'd have had a bunch more. But plenty enough to eat on. But I'll let you go. Alrighty. You can see it's coming up pretty good. We have yet to have any rain on it, so if it would have rained, it would have really jumped up that rye. This up here is where we had our taters. And it's coming up pretty good over here at the other place. I'll show you that there here in just a few minutes. It's coming up here too. Not as good as it was up there in the other field there. You can see it there. Like I said, if we'd have got some rain, but they're giving a little bit of chance of rain Friday. This has come up just from the heavy dews we've had of a morning. It's pretty dry right now. Alrighty, once that gets up, what we'll do, we'll come back through here and plow it up, turn it under, and that'll help your ground. Alrighty folks, I'd like to thank y'all for watching. This was just short. Oh, Dixie come running on the place there. Oh, little girl. Hi, baby. Yeah. I'd like to thank y'all for watching. Lord willing, be seeing you soon.